Hey, lovelies! Today I'm transforming my chaotic mess of a room into the ultimate beauty haven. I've dreamt of having a dedicated space just for makeup and outfits, and today it's happening. So grab a cuppa and join me on this journey. First things first, decluttering. My room literally looks like a tornado hit it. I start by clearing out all the clutter, dealing with school supplies, skincare and makeup scattered everywhere. IKEA storage solutions to the rescue. I've got a self-assembled drawer unit that's perfect for organizing everything. Next, let's talk about the PR haul. I've got a ton of amazing beauty products to sort through. Pusheen, Dior, Fenty, you name it, it's here. 25 drawer organizers are my new best friends for managing all these daily use products. Of course, I can't forget cleaning. A deep clean of my makeup brushes and beauty tools is essential. It's so satisfying to see everything sparkle and shine. Now let's talk skincare. I've upgraded my mini fridge to a larger, quieter model, perfect for storing all my skincare goodies. No more noisy fridge while I'm trying to relax. Decor is key to creating the perfect beauty space. I've added flowers, a new rug, wall shelves and a cute handheld mirror. I could use some suggestions on small rugs, so let me know your faves in the comments. Exciting news, there's a giveaway. I'm sharing products from my PR haul with you. To enter, be subscribed to my channel, comment your routine, follow me on Instagram, tag friends and repost the giveaway announcement on your story. Let's spread the love. The vanity area is coming together beautifully. I've added hooks for keys, a coffee table with books and a lamp, and a shelf for decorative items. It's all about creating a space that feels relaxing and organized. Specific product placement is crucial though. I'm showcasing where each beauty product goes. Drawers, shelves, organizers, you name it. Brands like Victoria's Secret and Drugstore finds all have their perfect spots. I've also added some additional furniture and decor. A rolling cart, a chair from my grandmother's house, and a clothing rack make the space feel complete. I might swap the clothing rack for something else later, so stay tuned. Lighting is everything. I've got candles and specific lighting for the vanity area to set the perfect mood. It's all about creating a space that's cozy and inviting. The overall theme here is self-care. I've dedicated the entire day to organizing and creating a relaxing space just for me. I hope this inspires you to do the same in your own space, and there you have it. My messy room is now a beautiful, organized beauty haven. Thanks for coming along on this journey with me, lovelies. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. Until next time, stay fabulous.